Hi Ishan.
Hi Mama.
Yes, so today what are we going to learn? We are going to discuss today about the general safety rules. So let's start with the good touch and the bad touch, okay? So Ishan, can you tell me before that which are your private body parts from the picture?
My private body parts are my lips, chest, tummy,
Yes.
between my thighs and buttocks.
Very good. So these are your private body parts because they're always covered by your clothes or by your swimming suit, right? And so who is the owner of these private body parts?
I am the owner of this private body part.
Yes, and nobody should touch your private body parts, okay? Only who can touch your private body parts? Your parents or your grandparents. Clear? Now when can they touch your private body parts? When your parents are giving you a bath, or when they are dressing you up, or when they are cleaning your buttocks after the toilet, or when they are making you wear a diaper, okay? Only during these situations, your parents can touch your private body parts. And does that make you feel uncomfortable?
No.
Yes. So, but suppose if anybody touches your private body parts apart from your parents or your grandparents, then what will you do?
I'll remove the hand and say no.
Yes.
I'll scream or I will run to my parents and complain or inform them.
Yes. So you can share this with your parents or with anybody from your safety circle. Who are there in your safety circle?
My parents and my grandparents.
Yes, right. But Ishan, you should also remember that your doctor can also touch your private body parts, because when you are sick, your doctor has to examine you, so he has to touch your body.
Yes.
But he can do so only in the presence of your parents, okay? In case your parents are not there, the doctor cannot touch your private body parts.
Yes.
Okay, Ishan? Yes. Now suppose if anybody touches your shoulder or your armpits or your knees, your neck, which is making you feel uncomfortable, then is that a good touch?
No, it's also a bad touch.
Right. And suppose if anybody pinches you or hurts you or beats you, then what kind of touch is that?
That is also bad touch.
Yes, so all these are the bad touches. And whenever such bad touches happen with you, you should?
I should run and complain to my father and mother.
Yes, first of all you have to remove the hand, say no, not to touch, and then you should share all these with your parents.
Yes.
Okay? Never hide anything from your parents. Clear, Ishan? Your parents will always believe in you. And whenever you are in a danger or in a trouble, your parents are always there to help you out. Okay, Ishan?
Yes.
Very good. Now, so can you, Ishan, tell me what is a good touch?
Good touch is that touch which makes me feel happy.
Yes. Suppose when your friends hug you, or when your parents hug you, or your grandparents hug you, kiss you, then how do you feel?
I feel good.
Yes, so that means that's a good touch. Or when some elders are blessing you by touching your head or your forehead, then you feel good, right?
Yes.
So that is a good touch. Or suppose if anybody shakes your hand, then is that a good touch or a bad touch?
Yes, it's a good touch.
Yes. Where is your hand? Show me. Yes, that's your hand. So if anybody shakes it, that also is a good touch. So have you understood the good touch and bad touch? Very good. Now let's go to something else. Suppose if anybody comes and says that, Ishan, let's go somewhere and play some secret game and don't share it with anybody else. Will you go with that person to play?
No.
Yes, you will say, no, I'll not play such secret game. And you must share this with your parents if anything like this has happened. Okay? Now, if anybody tries to take you from somewhere. Suppose you're standing and suddenly somebody comes up to you and says that your mama has sent me to take you, or your father has sent me to take you, or your mama is in the hospital, let's go fast, or your father is stuck in the office, so I have to take you to home. Will you go with that person?
No.
So what will you do? You will say, no, I
Yes.
won't go. But still, if the person insists you, then
I'll ask for the password.
yes, that password is the safety code, which will be a secret between you and your parents, right? So if the person is not able to tell you the password, then what will you do?
I think that person is bad and it's not sent by my father or mother.
Yes, so what will you do then? Will you be standing there?
No, I will run to some houses and scream.
No, not a house. You'll run to a different place. You'll go away from that person and scream for help. Okay?
Yes.
Whoever is there around you, you will scream out for help from those people, right? Okay. Now suppose if anybody tries to give you something. Suppose if any stranger suddenly comes and gives you a chocolate or some kind of gift, will you take that from that person?
No, I have to first take the permission of my mother and father. If they give me the permission, then I can take that chocolate or gift.
Right. Permission means when your parents are with you,
Yes.
your parents should be present with you. Only in the presence of your parents you can take something from somebody. Otherwise, you are not supposed to take anything from a stranger.
Yes.
Okay? Very good. Now suppose if anybody tries to take your pictures when you are half dressed, when you are not dressed properly, if somebody is trying to click your picture, will you allow that person to take the picture of yours?
No.
No, you will say no, don't click my picture, right? Okay, so always before clicking your picture you should be dressed properly and that person has to take your permission, right? Before taking the picture?
Yes.
Yes, Ishan?
Yes.
Okay, so have you understood everything about the general safety rules?
Oh, yes.
Okay, so now you know how to take care of yourself when you're away from home?
Yes, I now understood how to take care of myself.
When you are away from your parents, right? Because self-help is the...
Self-help is the best help.
Yes, and God helps those
God helps those
who
help themselves.
Very good. God helps those who help themselves. So always be aware of all these and help yourself when you are alone, right? Yes. Thank you, Ishan.